Hey guys, I'm in Byron Bay for the weekend, staying at the Crystal Brook Hotel, and I'm taking you with me. Let's go explore this little slice of paradise. Walking into the Crystal Brook lobby felt like stepping straight into a rainforest retreat. The space was open, light-filled, and surrounding lush greenery that made it feel calm and grounded. Walking into the room felt instantly relaxing, like the kind of space that invites you to slow down. Everything was designed with such a calm, modern touch, soft textures, and an effortless style that made it feel both welcoming and elevated. The layout was spacious but cozy, with every detail thoughtfully placed, from the lighting to the finishes. Nothing felt overdone, but simply beautiful. The bathroom was sleek and polished, the kind of space that makes getting ready feel like a part of the experience. It was a perfect balance of comfort and style, and it instantly felt like my own little sanctuary for the weekend. Walking through here felt grounding, like a little reminder to slow down, really connect with the environment. Every turn opened up to something beautiful. Stepping outside the hotel, you're immediately surrounded by nature. Pathways wind through lush greenery, tall palms, and tropical plants that make it feel like you're tucked away in a rainforest retreat. It's hard to believe you're just steps away from the beach. Exploring the resort felt like discovering a little world of its own. Every corner had something inviting, from open lounge spaces where you can just sink in and relax. The pool was definitely a highlight, sparkling under the sun and surrounded by spots to stretch out with a drink or a good book. The dining areas had a perfect blend of modern style and laid-back coastal energy. Tonight, we're heading to Ember Steakhouse, Byron Bay's signature dining spot. The moment you walk in, the space feels warm and inviting, dim lights, the smell of open grill, and the cozy buzz that makes you excited for what's coming next. The menu was built around bold flavors and quality ingredients, with each dish crafted to stand out. The presentation was beautiful, but what really stole the show was my first bite, smoky, tender, and perfectly balanced. Thank you so much for coming along with me. I hope this gave you a taste of Byron Bay and maybe inspired your own little getaway. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next adventure.